The Young Ambassador programme has been absolutely phenomenal. It's not just changed my life, it's given me a life.
I've been able to attend conferences, large-scale meetings, meeting new people, meeting other young ambassadors who have shared the same passion for improving sport in others as much as me.
So I could never probably believe the person I am today, the person I was in school.
And for me, I got involved for quite selfish reasons, simply because I wanted a career in sport. But at the time, I only ever thought you could have a career in sport as a professional athlete. But then obviously, like I said, my local sport development officer came along and said that there's an opportunity to volunteer in sport that can help you get a job in sport.
For me, in 2009, started as a young ambassador. The whole thing was to be the legacy of 2012 that was coming up for the Olympic and Paralympic Games.
The Young Ambassador programme started as a pilot in Wales as part of the school games that came to Cardiff that the Youth Sport Trust organised. And from there we worked in partnership and collaboration with Youth Sport Trust, our local authority partners, to develop the Young Ambassador programme across Wales.
Sport Wales and Youth Sport Trust providing potential resources and knowledge, support if anything, to local authority sport development officers who primarily oversee the Young Ambassador programme's implementation on the ground. And that's seen across the whole country, and every authority, all 22 local authorities, have young ambassadors and a sport development officer that actually supports these young ambassadors develop their own journey.
It's not just the young ambassador side of things. When 2012 came around, it was a dream to be wanting to go and represent your country at your home Olympics/Paralympics. You had posters everywhere for the Youth Sport Trust, the Young Ambassadors, in the village, in the competition venues. And I can honestly say that I looked at that with pride.
Yeah, I like to think I've created a positive legacy. There was a lot of young children, young people, especially at home, that may not have had the opportunity to take part in sport or physical activity if Young Ambassadors wasn't there. And it's nice to kind of look back and be, I was a part of their physical activity journey and I was a part of them becoming a young ambassador because they saw me as a gold or a platinum and they wanted to be a bronze or a silver.
I've also used the story of my journey to help inspire another young ambassador who was on the National Leadership Academy, and she was at a point where she didn't really know what was going to come next for her, whether she wanted to go to university or not, and I showed her that actually you can still make it and become successful without going to university.
Personally for me, they gave me the chance to kind of be the best version of me. I didn't really have that chance before. I kind of went to school, kept my head down, liked to play a little bit of sport, but not really knowing that I could go a little bit further with it as well, didn't just have to take part.
Being a young ambassador has given me endless confidence, and within a year of being a young ambassador I had the confidence to open up my own street dance group called Funk Force, which is still running now, so it's been running for the last 8 years.
I think for me, the biggest influence is seeing people flourish. Like myself, I started off a shy young kid, scared of his own shadow, and the sport brought out the confidence in me. I've seen so many people, young people and old people, flourish in the 10 years.